Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of Facebook. Here we go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Facebook. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.